Why is it that a solved Rubik's Cube floats, but an unsolved Rubik's Cube sinks?
Why doesn't the naming of these Minx puzzles follow standard metric prefixes? We have the Hectominx, the Kilominx, the Megaminx, the Master Kilominx, and the Gigaminx. If they were named by standard metric prefixes, though, they would then be known as the Monominx, or just plain Minx, the Decaminx, the Hectominx, the Kilominx, and finally, the Megaminx. If you know your math, you know that 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 5 times 5 times 5 equals 125. Now the 1 by 1 follows this math rule, seeing as it only has one piece. The 3 by 3 also follows this rule, having exactly 27 pieces. Why then does the 2 by 2 have 17 pieces? And why does the 4 by 4 have 91 pieces? And why does a 5 by 5 have only 92 pieces?